Hello dancers, welcome to tutorial for Waka Waka by Shakira. It's a really nice cool down song I like to use in class, and I just love the words and the lyrics and the message, and it always brings so much joy to being in class, so let's learn to dance to it here. We're going to start with a little shoulder roll. We just do shoulder, right, shoulder, left, shoulder, right, push, and push. So we're going to start to the right side. We step, shoulder, right, shoulder left, shoulder right. We're going to take it around. We push and bring it in. We start the left, shoulder and shoulder, two to the left. So it's 3 times and then push. Push and push and. Same thing repeats, then we have full arm circle. Arm, arm, like into the right, and you got it. We push around, push and left. 2 full circle arms, right, left, and push and push. Now, it starts first to the right, the first verse. Second verse goes to the left verse, and the third verse goes to the right. And the way to remember if we're doing shoulders or arms is the shoulders only happen on instrumental, and the arms happen whenever there are words spoken, lyrics spoken. So, let's see the first one facing front. We start with the shoulder instrumental opening. Double right, double left, double right. We push around, push, push, double left. This is still instrumental music. Ta, 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 left, push around, and the words start. We repeat right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. After those shoulders and arms, we get into this nice little easy step. It just goes heel, 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 5, 6, 7, 8. And arms go inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Prayer of gratitude. Verse 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we jump out, we circle arms, 1, 2, we jump up, 3, 4, down 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeats, 1, 2, 3, 4, down 5, 6, hold 7, 8. Let's see those 2 parts, face in the front. We just came around the second time, push and heel, 2, 3, 4, reverse, 6, 7, roll it low. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold, chorus. All right, the chorus is single, single, double. We start to the right, we go single, single, double, single, single, double, single, single, double, and hips. 5, 6, 7, 8. And the arms are opposition. Push, push, double, push, 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 double, push, 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 double, push, up, 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 up. And you'll notice that now we are ready to go to the side that we need to start with the shoulder. So I'll do that together first, legs and arms. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The first chorus, we only do it once. Facing the front. We just came 5, 6, ta, ta, 5, 6, hold 7, chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our weight is on the right, so we go to the left with a shoulder, double, shoulder, double, shoulder, and it pushes and push. We get instrumental, right shoulder, left, right, around. Then the arms starting to left again. Right, left, around. More words with songs, left, right, around. One more time. 3, 4. We learn this. 5, 6, 7, 8. This repeats. 1, 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold, 7, 8. Chorus, again, starting to the right. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Single, single, forearms over. 1, 2, 3. Repeat chorus. This time our weight, we go to left first. Left, double, right, double, left, double, 5, 6, 7, 8. We start one more time with the arm circles. There are words, so we know we go arm, and we're weight to the left, so we go right. Last time, left, right, push, ta, ta, and left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as long as you keep going from the beginning with the steps, your weight will naturally tell you which way to go. If we've ended this way, ta, ta, we know we're going to the right. If we've ended the other side, ta, 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 we know we're going to the left. Great, there's one more section in this cool down, and it's the same arms as we did, and the same feet, but we're just going to do it around the world. So we start facing the front. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, quarter turn, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the back, 1, 2, 3, quarter turn, 5, 6, 7, 8. To get ready to go chorus, 2 times through fully. Now in the second chorus, we're really going to start adding in some jumps in it. So instead of this nice side step, we're going to start doing jump, jump, double, jump, jump, double, jump, jump, double, arms, ta, 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 again, jump, jump, double, arms are free here, ta, 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 ba, ta, ta, ta. And during that, you can dance with your friends in class. It doesn't have to be we're in place. You can dance with someone you love, ta, ta, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see the round the world into that last chorus, facing the front. We go. 1, 2, breathing, breathing, 5, 6, 7, 8, back, 1, 2, showing gratitude, and 5, 6, chorus goes, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, arms up, 5, 6, chorus again, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 more times with the jumping. We go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, wave it, pa, pa, pa. Last one. Left, double, right, double, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time around the world. 4, 4, side, catching our breath, breathing. After a big dance party, 5, 6, 7, and one more time to the front, 2, 3, and 4. That's all the choreography to Waka Waka. Let's dance it.